How to get refund on Steam. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, simply open up your Steam account. After that, log into your account. After logging into your account, simply open up the settings and then click on the option of account settings, then click on the option of account details. You can also open it up using the profile picture of yours at the top and then click on your profile picture, and after that select the option of account details. And this way you would be able to find the option of view purchase history option. Simply select that particular option. Now select the game for which you want the refund. Now select the game and you would be able to find I would like a refund at the bottom. Simply select the option of I would like a refund. Then you can request refund for that particular game. Now after that you would be able to find all the refund details, like how much money you will be getting in your account and how much playtime you have spent on that particular game. Usually you will not face any issue if the game is not older than 14 days and you have not spent more than 2 hours on that particular game. You would be able to get the refund quite easily. But you have got the game more than 14 days ago and you have spent plenty of time playing that particular game, then you might face some issue, but you should also give it a try and Steam might give you a refund. So provide the reason for your refund and additional notes can also be added, then submit the request. Then after that you should be able to see the refund in your Steam account. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.